New
Okay
iPhone
guys, I just
14 Pro
received my
Max.
iPhone. Let's see what we get. That's how it's looking. The front, let's see. I hope they have new updates. It's crazy how iPhone is working. Okay guys, let's see together how the iPhone is looking. It's the 14 Pro Max. It's the color purple. Actually, this color is nice. I love it. Why it's not too purple? So it's cool. Let's see how the front look. Okay, it have a cable charger. It doesn't come with the head. It's crazy. With this thing, like the Apple stickers. With iPhone, I don't understand. No AirPods, no nothing. Every day you guys say, okay, we updated, we have an update. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, I'm setting up the phone for now. Okay. Okay, guys, with iPhone, this is what I realized with this people. I did the whole transfer and then the phone went off, boom, which I don't know why. I've been trying, charging, doing everything I could, but it's not coming on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I decided to do it until the phone is on. But I think many of the people have the same problem. So if you have this problem, what you will do is okay, now press power up, press down, hold the power button until the Apple logo is out, then let it go. That's what I'm gonna do now. It's on. Okay, so it's coming. That's the only thing you could do. If this thing happened to you, press up, press down, volume up, volume down, and then you hit the power, hold it until the logo Apple come up. If this video helped you, please subscribe for next video and enjoy your new phone. Bye bye.